Spring in Düsseldorf is different. While everyone looks at Japan, this German city is hiding the most beautiful streets in Europe. But is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Most people stick to the Königsallee for blossoms, but they are missing the real magic. We are heading to Fürstenplatz, Düsseldorf's best kept spring secret. Wow, look at this. While everyone else is chasing the pink cherry blossoms, these white blooms create this incredible snowy canopy that feels like a literal movie set. What do you think, guys? And the best part? It's way less crowded. If you want the perfect shot without 50 people in the background, this is your spot. Check the caption for the exact GPS pin. If you're already at Fürstenplatz, don't just stop there. It's actually a really beautiful 15-minute walk over to Volksgarten, and the side streets are half the fun. Coming in through the main gates, you start to see the park waking up. It's a perfect spot to just clear your head before you hit the pink section. And there they are. You don't need 1,000 trees when you have these three. The pink here is so concentrated, it honestly feels like a natural spotlight in the middle of the green. It's the ultimate reward for the walk. Grab a coffee, find a bench under these three, and just take it in. Is this the best walking route to the city? I think so. If you are in Düsseldorf this weekend, skip the crowds at the Rhine and head here instead. Trust me on this one. Also, Volksgarten is massive, over 70 hectares of green right in the city. There's so much more to see here, from hidden lakes to the best sunset spots. Hit follow to see the rest of the Düsseldorf with me.